Online store on Wix tutorial for beginners, how to create online store using Wix. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this software to create our own online store. Basically it's pretty easy. They provide us the opportunity to create it from total scratch, or we can simply customize the templates. Basically it's not that hard, so let's get started. Firstly we need to visit the website wix.com. This is our start page here. As you can see in the top of the screen we have some information, and also there's like paid plans, but we can start for free. So let's click on get started in the central part, or right up here in the right top corner. It doesn't matter basically. So after that we need to create our account. We can create it with email or continue with Gmail or Facebook. In this case I'm going to use Gmail, as for me this is the most suitable way to start with this. It may take a little time and we'll come to our home page. Basically, as you can see in the top of the screen we have some folders with my sites, explore, help, and hire a professional right up here. So in this case we're going to use only my sites folder. In the right side we have the option to find our account info, some billing history, and so on. So if you're interested in paying, like buying for paid plans, this folder will be pretty helpful as for you. So let's click on create new site right up here to get started, and after that we'll need to answer for some of the questions. Of course, the first question helps to customize the template. So what kind of website are you creating? So let's click on online store. Basically, we can choose the type of our store, but if you didn't decide, so we can just click on next. If you haven't decided, so just click on next right up here. What's the name of your store? We can input everything we need. So basically, this is the name of our like project as a website. So let it be like the name of our channel. So let's click on next, and in the next step we can just simply, what do you want to add to your website? We can add like chat, forms, Instagram feed, and so on. There are a lot of stuff here, so we can choose something. What would you like to add? We can add everything a little bit later, so I'll just only use the online store option. As you can see, it's already built in, so I'll just click on next and we'll come to the next stage of creating. So now we can simply design our site, begin from template, or we can get a custom build site. So it means that let Wix create a site for you in a minute. It will use like the AI, but in this case I'm going to use the begin with template option, because as for me this is the easiest way to get started with Wix to create our own website. And as you can see, we have some categories here like fashion and clothing, jewelry and accessories, arts, home, beauty, food and drink, sport, electronics, kids and babies, and so on. So we can find the necessary category as for us. So let's try to use maybe food and drinks area to find something here. So now we can discover what is the most suitable as for us. So I think that this one looks pretty good, so we can just simply click on view to find how does it looks like. So I like this design, so let's click on edit this site, and after that it will be successfully created as for us. It may take a little time to download it because the site size is not that low. So let's discover their paid plans while it's like uploading. As you can see, they have like 4 options. We can buy the plan, unlimited, or combo, or we can simply connect our domain. So the differences is right up here in the storage space, of course, in the bandwidth, and so on. So if you're going to use it for a long time, I suggest you to use unlimited plan. As you can see, this is the most popular, so I think it's pretty cool. So let's go back. It's still uploading, but now it's okay. So this is our editing page. As you can see in the top of the screen we have like site options, settings, dev mode, hire professional, but in this case we are going to use the left side menu with page name, add elements option, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and content manager. So these are options we can use. For example, we can add some elements here, text, image, buttons, strip, decorative, and so on. As you can see, there are a lot of options we can use on Wix, and it's pretty cool. Of course, we can customize every single part in this central area here. So now our website looks like this, as you can see. So we can simply like try to find how does it looks like. So, and we can customize every single part. For example, let's change the name of our shop. Simply we need to click on this button here, and we need to change the text, for example. So we can just simply what does the button say, let it be like the name of our store, let it be like this. So also we can just simply click on it here. We can change the design, of course. We can change it from different templates, or we can customize design. So in this case, I'm going to use, I think, this one here. It looks pretty good. So now we can just simply close. We can also like customize something here, but in this case I'm going to close it basically. We can, in this case, we can continue every single part here. So as you can see, we can change the layout, we can change the design, we can change the animation, we can add the link. So there is like a lot of options provided by WIX, and we can also change the background, for example, for our video or for our photos, for our websites. So we can do everything here. So I'll just undo all of these changes here, because we are selling these bars basically. So let it be like this. We can also in this way customize everything which is like described here. So we can change the prices, we can change the photos, all the products, we can change these slides here. If you want to add some sections, for example with products, we can just simply click on add section here. We can add some store, we can add some contacts and so on. Let it be, for example, section with these products here. So it was successfully added as for us. So now we can move it a little bit to the next section down. So now we successfully added, for example, one more section with our products. So we can manage products, for example, click on manage products, and here just change everything we want to customize. Basically it's pretty easy as for us. So as you can see, we have like store products area and products here. So now we can just change everything we need. We just click on new products and so on. So when everything is done, we can just simply click on publish in the right top corner to publish our website. It may take a little time. So your site is published and live online, so we can simply visit it right up now. So this is a link, and now we can simply view how does it looks like. So as you can see, the button was changed and the stuff is already here. So basically it's like not uploaded yet, but it looks like this. As you can see, it's pretty cool, pretty good, yeah. So we can simply close it and go back to the home page here. So just simply close it and go to dashboard. In the left top corner, just click on WIX icon. So now we are on our editing page of our managing page. Basically we can find a lot of stuff here. For example, in this case we can add some products, for example store products and products. So we can add some products here. So this is the managing panel of our home, basically of our store. So we can add a lot of stuff and use it right up here. I'll explore it in my next tutorials, but this is a way of how can we deal with WIX to create like online store. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.